What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Chinedu, aka Fx Chieftain, and today I'm breaking down a premium NAS100. The setup you don't want to miss. I promise you don't want to miss it. I'll show you how smart money, sweeping liquidity, where institutional entities are hiding, and exactly how I plan my trades this week. It's gonna be clean, sharp, SMC certified. Okay. If you're tired of getting trapped by the big breakouts, this video is for you. It's a video you've been waiting for. So guys, let's dive right in to the charts, okay? Right. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. This is the NAS 100, the US 100. And you can clearly see the chart presently has been marked out. This is to identify the range and the trend of the market on the highest of time frame. This is a monthly time frame and we use as one of our added confluences, the top-down analysis. Okay, top-down analysis allows us to be able to break down trades from a much more stronger volume to minimum volume to have better trends and much more concise speculation about the market. Without further ado, let's break it down. I already know we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, which tells us that price is on an uptrend and it's rallying to the upside. And we can clearly see on the weekly that price has an internal after this breakdown. Price touched, gave a second touch on this monthly time frame and what rallied up. And we've seen it, can clearly see on the 3rd of March, the candle broke that uptrend and it had a continuation on the 10th of March. Because this is a weekly candle, we know that 2 weeks has gone now and candle has been broken. The trend has been broken. So now this is telling us that price is tired of going up. It wants to do a retracement. Maybe give us a third touch, something more like this. Something more like this, using our part two. Third touch on the trend line, then give us a rally up. Yeah, that is what we are speculating that price will do at this very point in time. And if price does that, price is not wrong. It's perfect. And this is what we call a classic Fx Chieftain trend breakout. Whenever I see this, what I see is change, I see money. Okay. So now we dive down to the daily time frame. We want to see where price makes hesitation for that to test before it gives the continuation for a sell pattern. Okay, because right now we're expecting price to buy for a retest. And people normally will tell you left to know what market has done to see if there's any place price to make hesitation, like the other blocks, Beverly Gaps, DC. And now we looking left, you can clearly see that there's nothing that is going to stop price from tanking down. But we can see on the 14th of March 2025, price gave a bullish engulfing candle, a daily candle, bullish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous Thursday's candle, which was bearish, showing that what there's momentum for buyers in the market and buyers are ready to push price higher for that retest. This is our technical analysis, and this is also a technical tool. Now we have two confluences. Price is supposed to be a retest. Now we have an engulfing candle on the daily. What more confirmation do we need? Since we don't have an order block or a fair value gap where price can liquidate and rally back up, we have a tool called the RSI, Relative Strength Index. This is an indicator tool on this platform that is used to know the overbought and oversold levels of an asset or a security. So now let's get down into our RSI. Let's get it out and see where price is present. So guys, this is our RSI, and we can see that our RSI has tanked down. This is the 15% range, and now our price has hit down as low as 23.66, which is the oversold level. And we can see that price is starting to push momentum upward, which means this tells us that what price will be seeking upward momentum from now on, and price will rally back up. That is confirmation and confluence number 3, which is a good thing, guys. So now, because of the RSI have told us that we have an oversold asset and price is likely to rally up to make a correctional move, because for every possible move, there's a correctional move. We all know this. If you don't know this, you need to go down to my playlist and go to the NAS101 content. You need to study it so you can be able to be on the same page with us. For those who are beginners here, I want to trade Forex. So this is the 4-hour chart. We need to understand, because one thing we do know is price tells better stories on the lowest of time frame. The higher time frame has the large volume and tells us on size, agendas of the price of an asset. But the smaller time frame tells us what is going on, which is good if you want to make proper decision or if you want to make directional bias. So right now we can see on the 4-hour that we have a strong trend line downwards. Very strong line, which has been broken. Good. This is a classic word, Fx Chieftain trend break. A downtrend has been broken right here to the upside. And not just that, we can see a beautiful pattern being formed, a W pattern. And everybody knows a W pattern is a bullish momentum chart pattern that indicates that the buyers are in the market and are ready to push price upward. It is a very, very good chart pattern that nobody should play around with. Get it? You can see it right here. If you can't see it properly, I'm going to change the color to red right now. I'm sure you can see it right now. Good. Okay, guys. So now we've seen this bullish chart pattern. I remember at the beginning of the story, I said I was going to tell you where the smart money are worth, liquidating you, taking your money, trapping you, and I'm going to show you where they'll be getting in for their entry. So listen closely. All right, let's dive down into this. The 4-hour has shown us that what price has created a breakout from this very strength and has given us a what W pattern, which is confirmation number 5 that yes, this is a strong breakout, and it is giving us a better confirmation of the break and retest strategy from the highest of time frame. So now we know we are looking for long position for this coming week, which is from the 17th of March down to the 21st of March. Okay, now let's get down. How do we trade this pattern? I trade W pattern with what I call the neckline. Okay, I take my trend line too, and I do an horizontal ray just across it. Just across it, okay? Just across it. We could name this, call this the neckline. Right, the neckline. I'm gonna call this the neckline. So if price breaks this neckline, giving us something somewhat like this, right? And it comes down, which is the manipulation, the traps, right? We're expecting price to hesitate around this area and rally up by giving us a what? A what? Yes, I'm sure you got it. A higher low, which means price is going upward, because for price to move upward, it must give higher highs and higher lows, right? And for price to what? To go lower, it must give us lower highs and lower lows. Price will be doing a change of character here after this neckline created by this W pattern. And we'll come back for a retest, give us a higher high, and there we'll be expecting hesitations for our entry, guys. Perfect. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So let's keep on going. Let's change this color to color white. Okay. So now if price should do this, we know that yes, price has repeated this classic Fx Chieftain breakout, trend breakout, and it's going to bias to go higher. Confirmation number 5, brilliant. Well, how do we trade this? How do we know? We just can't just place trades anyhow. We need to be precise. We need precision in this, in speculating at this asset. What do? We're saying if price comes up, close with a full body candle and retraces back down to a point of interest. Now, for us to get our point of interest, what do? We need to go to lower time frame and see if we can see a fair value gap or an order block situated below there. Right here, we can't see anything that looks like a fair value gap or an order block. Let's go down to the 30 minutes. Wow, brilliant. We can see this big engulfing candle right here. I can see it. All right, guys. So now we have an order block seated right here. And we know price will come back at that point in time to what? To liquidate it or to activate it. And if price, because there are a lot of bullish orders right here, and if price does that, it means it's respecting what our directional bias. So we should see a point of hesitation. For added confidence, let's get down to our 15-minute time frame. This is our 15-minute time frame. And right on that spot, we can see that a morning star has been created. A morning star is a what? Is a three candlestick. It's a three-type candlestick bullish formation. All right, so we have a single candlestick, double candlestick. We have the triple candlestick formation. This is a triple candlestick bullish formation. If you don't know about candle formation, if you don't know about chart patterns, I advise you looking at playlist just below and what? Hit those buttons. Start watching them. Okay, educate yourself on them. All right, guys. So this is what we expected. And because we've seen this, it's added confidence. Confidence, what number 7, that what price will likely hesitate here. And how do we enter? We may say, okay, price is getting here, but how do we enter? We can't just enter when price comes in. Once price comes at high volume, due to news release like that. All we do know is that whenever price of an asset goes up, it always comes down to at least 50%, 60% of that price leg, which is about the golden zone, right? The golden zone of an asset. All right, and that's why we have our Fibonacci 2. But before I introduce the Fibonacci 2, how do I enter this market? I always want to see something like a confirmation. I use candlestick confirmations. I want to see a teaser bottom. I want to see a trade inside up. I want to see chart patterns, inverted chart patterns like the inverted head and shoulder. I want to see W patterns. I want to see flat patterns on the smallest time frames, like the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes. Tell me that this price is going to push upward and we are in the right direction because we are going long based on all we've done so far. Now, because we've have our entry candle now, well, we need to be concise. We need to know where will price likely test and show us those patterns. That's where the Fibonacci comes in. It's a Fibonacci. Because of this, let's assume this is the highest point which price has rallied to and has broken down into this point of interest. We are going to take our Fibonacci 2 and rally it right up there. Our Fibonacci 2. Now we can see that price has dropped towards the 0.62, which normally is 0.618 on most platforms. And this is our golden zone. And now this shows us that, yes, truly we are on the right track, that price is likely to come to this zone come next week from the March 17 down to the 1st. And truly we are on the right bias for a buy. And with this, you'll be able to place your trades and run into more profits to chain. Now, risking just below the recent low and taking your profits through the Fibonacci profit scaling up here, which brings us to where our directional bias for where we are expecting price to get to. So guys, it looks so easy, right? It looks so simple. That's it. The Fx Chieftain right here in our academy will teach you the easiest way to trade, the easiest way, precise way. So guys, if you want more knowledge on this, I want you to like this video, I want you to comment on it, and I want you to share. And if you want way more content on this, just tag in what you want us to do next time on this channel. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. For those who want to join our mentorship, the link is in our bio. You want to gain more knowledge about the Forex, you want to master Forex, you want to have an understanding of chart patterns, fundamentals, of the technicals, of the sentimentals, we're here for you. We've got you covered. So I want you to get to our link, chat us, send us a mail, join our Telegram channel for free signals also, and it's beautiful. Huh? Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. This is my analysis, weekly analysis for NAS100. Bye, guys. I mean your what? FX. Thank you for watching that video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna see you guys later. Like, subscribe, follow my program.